Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So आज की वीडियो is all about lingerie, general mistakes we girls do और issues we face. मैंने Saturday को एक Q&A story डाली थी and I got such a massive response. So I thought इस week की सबसे पहले video has to be this one. And given the COVID situation, I don't think so it's safe for us to step out of the house to buy lingerie, even though it's a basic essential necessity. I would say online shopping is the best solution right now. Last 3 years से I have only shopped online for my lingerie, so I do feel I have experience and expert opinion to talk about this matter and also help you save more money while you're shopping from home. Basically guide you to become like a smart shopper. Now lingerie isn't essential. We all know कितना ज़रूरी होता है comfortable lingerie होना, whether you are at home or at work or working from home, which is the new normal. I also feel different kind of bras for different tops or clothing items बाद में आता है, but पहले you need to sort out your basics. And if I talk about my lingerie collection, I feel 65 to 70% of it is from Zivame. Like I love their collection, their varieties, their sizes also suit me, and the fact that they do have sales every now and then. And also आपको 10% cashback मिल सकता है on all your orders from Zivame using Cash Karo. Now Cash Karo is India's biggest cashback website. It offers you cashback deals on more than 1500 brands, like including Myntra, Ajio, Amazon. And for me, the best part about Cash Karo is the fact that you can transfer the money back to your bank account or just buy Amazon vouchers worth the money, worth the rewards that you get. Anyways, I think I should start with the questions now. So the first query is obviously about how to find your correct size when you're shopping online for lingerie. So first of all, जिस भी size से आप shopping करने का सोच रहे हो, they will always have a size calculator of their own. So for example, if you're shopping from Zivame, you can go to the side menu and check their fit zone. वहाँ पे they'll ask you a few questions about the measurements and उसके basis पे they'll let you know your correct size. Now, the basic questions that they ask is the size of your underbust, your bust, and Zivame में मैंने एक चीज़ notice की थी कि they also have questions about the sagginess or just the shape of your breasts. Also, make sure you check the brand you are shopping from. Like if I'm on Zivame की app, but I'm shopping for an Enamor bra, so I have to check their size chart. Like each brand has some थोड़े बहुत differences, especially in the cup sizes. So if you're shopping from a site but उनकी खुद की line से आप नहीं ले रहे हो कुछ, तो make sure that you double check on the size chart एक बार. And trust me, this is like the most common issue, सबके साथ होता है even. Next question is about essentials. Now, I'm a person with a heavy bust, so मेरे लिए like if I have to choose just one type of bra, it has to be a t-shirt bra. मुझे lightly padded ones with underwire बहुत पसंद है. Like this is my comfort zone. Even right now I'm wearing that. I actually have 2 of them from Zivame itself. मतलब they are literally the same bras but in different colors, like nude and black. And I feel if you're somebody who's building up their lingerie collection, first of all start with a basic t-shirt bra, and if you find one, get them in different colors. I'm telling you, बहुत helpful होगा ये. I think मेरी एक video पे Instagram पे भी I got a query that what kind of bra I wear under a white shirt. So it's always my nude t-shirt bra because no matter what kind of shirt I'm wearing, it gives me the right fit. And also उसका color doesn't show up through the shirt. Okay, so the next query is a very sweet one. So she's somebody who loves dancing but is always conscious because of her being a little heavy chested. So first of all, high five, you're not alone, trust me. So I think like a year back I actually used to dance like ऐसी group performances office में मेरे, and what I used to do back then was कि मैं अपनी t-shirt bra पे एक sports bra layer कर लूँगी and उसके बाद t-shirts, shirts जो भी मैं पहनती थी normally, but it was not at all stable. But a few months back, I discovered minimizers and oh my god, they are a lifesaver. अगर आपका cup size C है या उसके आगे कुछ भी है, trust me, minimizers is a must-have for you. The one that I use is this double-layered, non-wired, full coverage support bra. जितना बड़ा नाम है उतना ही अच्छा काम भी है इसका. It actually covers the entire breast and it keeps it intact. Now notice the fact that it's a full coverage bra. तो मैं उसके अपने deep neck tops के अंदर नहीं पहन सकती, but I prefer wearing them whenever I have to do like cardio या फिर I'm dancing. And once you get your right size, like the band size and the cup size, I'm telling you, you will be addicted to these bras. I feel right now would be the perfect time for you to buy new lingerie, and if you use Cash Karo, trust me, you will be saving a lot of money. Zivame pe they are providing 10% flat cashback, and on Shayaway you get 300 rupees cashback on orders above 450. So basically you are just paying 150 rupees guys. And plus Cash Karo use karna is super simple. It's like a 2-step process. Just click on the first link mentioned in my description box, sign up on Cash Karo and search for the site you want to shop from. जैसे कि मैं अभी Zivame के लिए search करूँगी. Now उसके बाद click on the orange button and then tap on visit retailer and it takes you to the site. Now keep this in mind, you need to shop from the Cash Karo site or app. else you will not get rewards. उसके बाद you can go shop for whatever things that you need, add them to your cart and make the transaction. And then come back to the My Earnings section in Cash Karo की app, where it will show you the rewards in pending state, but don't worry, कुछ दिनों में it gets confirmed. And the best part, जैसे ये amount 250 cross करेगा, you can actually transfer it back to your bank account or actually buy Amazon vouchers worth the same amount, which I feel is a great deal because अभी के लिए तो Amazon जिंदाबाद, everybody is shopping through Amazon. मैंने इस ब्रांड के बारे में काफ़ी बार अपनी वीडियोज़ में मेंशन किया है, and a lot of people DM me that they did find it very helpful. In fact, एक बार I remember I put up a story that I'm doing a Ajio haul, and one of the subscribers actually replied back कि why don't you try Cash Karo, उसमें actually rewards मिलते हैं. So definitely try Cash Karo. Also जितने भी items मैं mention कर रही हूँ, मैं सबकी link description box में डाल दूँगी for you to get a better price through Cash Karo. So definitely check them out, and मैं size भी mention कर दूँगी अपना. Now coming back to the queries, the next 3 common queries are about nipple show, side bulges and gap between the cup and your breast. The first one, which is nipple show, I feel like I started using lightly padded bras because of this particular reason. Even though in my personal opinion, I feel t-shirt bras like Zivame t-shirt bras are amazing, like my best bra ever. But if you're not comfortable, definitely go towards double layered bras. Zivame has a lot of them. I'm gonna link them. Even the minimizer that I use, it is a double layered one. And जब भी मैं उसे पहनती हूँ, I've never had such an issue. Even under my turtlenecks, like tight tops के अंदर भी मुझे ऐसा कोई issue नहीं हुआ. So make sure that you read the name of the bra that you're going for correct. You need to pay attention to what you're buying. And for side bulges and the gap between the cup and your breast, first of all notice कि क्या उसका band size is correct. Like if you feel the band size is correct, then it is definitely an issue with your cup size. Side bulge आ रहा है तो definitely you are wearing a cup size which is smaller for you. Go one size up. And अगर gap है cup और breast के बीच में, then definitely you are wearing a cup bigger than your size. So एक size नीचे चले जाओ. I'm sure you'll see a difference. Initial days में even I had a lot of issues finding my right size, but trust me, now my life is sorted and I have seen my friends crib about it too. तो ऐसे कोई tension मत लो. It takes time यार. So chill. But हाँ, definitely the issue is with your cup size. Now talking about the most asked question, which is about the strapless bra that I wear. I think last year से ही I've been using the Enamor double layered tube bra. I love it. I think this is the reason why I have started experimenting with my necklines as well, because literally I feel more comfortable now. I have tried all those padded strapless bras, like removable straps वाली padded bras, but like कोई भी मुझे comfortable नहीं लगती थी. Somehow I felt कि उनके pads would never stick to the chest. Like वो उठे रहते थे. And the reason why I love this one so much is because इसके ट्यूब में जो ऊपर वाली hemline है उसमें there is some sticky सा material, so it actually sticks to your chest, and it's not like a full coverage वाला tube bra, so you will have a little bit of peekaboo happening. It also has wiring under your bust. It also has wiring around the sides, and इसकी जो last का जो flap है, like the ends, they also have elastic, so it actually wraps around your chest very nicely, and it just keeps things intact. Unfortunately, it's not available right now. मैं काफ़ी महीनों से try कर रही हूँ to buy this one, but it's out of stock everywhere. So I have mentioned a similar bra from Enamor again. I think Enamor is one of my favorite brands. Trust me, whenever you see me wearing a camisole, a tube top or a one shoulder top, it's always this one. Even if I'm wearing an off shoulder ना, तो मैं अपने दोनों straps ऐसे cross करके लगा लेती हूँ. Now, for people who asked about the kind of bras that you should wear at home, of course, it's personal choice. आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है कि lightly padded t-shirt bra type कुछ पहनो. I think I have 2 options. Either you can go for minimizers because they are very comfortable. They don't have padding most of the time. So yeah, it's a very good breathable option. Otherwise, go for a bralette. Like a cotton, non-padded, non-wiring वाली bralette is gonna be a lifesaver. मैं हमेशा वही पहन के सो जाती हूँ. So yeah. Now lastly, talking about Shy Away, I think इस year के starting में ही I did a Shy Away haul because they had a huge haul. They had a huge sale, and the first time I had to return my entire parcel because I placed the order according to my Zivame size. तो मुझे उसके बाद ही समझ में आया कि okay, हर साइड के अलग साइज चार्ट्स होते हैं. Please don't be that dumb. I have made that mistake. So, but within 15 days I got my new parcel बहुत जल्दी. The customer service was very helpful. इसीलिए I stress a lot, you know, on checking the size chart हमेशा. There was also a query about plunging necklines, so I wear this seamless plunge bra. I think this one is by far the most comfiest bra that I've ever owned. इसका material is so soft, it's beautiful. Like ये bra इतनी सुंदर लगती है मुझे. But yeah, I do not wear this very often. This is only for the days when I'm wearing something very deep neck. Plus, iska support is not the best. Like it won't be as comfortable as your t-shirt bras or something. But if you are wearing a deep neck, usme t-shirt bra ka beach wala portion would be visible. And if I have to compare Shiaway and Zivame, I feel Shiaway prices are undoubtedly the best. Like they offer the best affordable lingerie online. Unki deals are amazing. Plus Cash Karo ke through you literally are getting bras for just 150. But in my personal opinion, I feel Zivame is like thoda mera favorite because I feel थोड़े से ज़्यादा पैसों में you are getting a much better quality. And to be honest, ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि Zivame बहुत ही अच्छा है. Like I feel अगर आपको अपना right size नहीं पता है तो कोई भी site से कहीं से भी shopping कर लो, none of them would work for you. So yeah. Okay, so I think this is the last question for this video. Do not worry if I've not answered your question. I will definitely cover it in my next part. There will be a part 2 and I feel part 3 भी होगा, इतने questions आए हैं. So don't forget to check the sales through Cash Karo guys. I know Cash Karo थोड़ा नया concept लग रहा है. If you're not comfortable using it बहुत बड़े transaction के लिए, maybe you can try it for a smaller transaction like maybe a recharge or a top up. Once you see the rewards in your section, my earnings section, I'm sure you'll automatically think of Cash Karo every time you shop online. So yeah, don't forget to click on the link in the description box, sign up on Cash Karo and shop your heart out while saving money. And with this we've come to the end of this video. I hope this was helpful. अगर आपको और कोई भी queries हैं, doubts हैं, issues हैं, leave them in the comment section below so I can cover them in my next part, which I'll try कि मैं next week ही डाल दूँ. And if you're watching my face for the very first time, hi, my name is Ishita and I make such informative videos, fun hauls, styling videos, travel बोलना चाहती हूँ but बोल नहीं सकती अभी. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you liked this video and I'll see you next time. Bye.
1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you.